Alright guys, there's a new app that just became famous that's very popular right now. It's called Draw In, and it's different. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Hold on one second. Alright, so here it is right here. It's got 4.2 stars out of 5. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We're gonna go ahead and open it and take a look at it. Made by Lion Studios. Alright, here we go. It takes a while to load up. May hit cancel on that. It wants me to update to the new Google Play, but yeah, we'll keep this one for now. Here it goes. Alright, gotta tap to start. We're gonna go with classic. I haven't unlocked anything else. We're gonna start off with level 1. So basically what you do is you tap on here and you leave it pressed long enough to where it fills up what you're drawing. For example, like this. Cool, filled it up. Now you go to the next level. Does it do about that much? Cool. Got that one going. Let's see. Let's try that. Nice. Really easy, guys. You know, it's a little time waster. If you're bored during a break at work or something like this works. Oh, we got an ad popping up. Oh, what is that? You ever have an ad pop up but then you like the game? That's a pretty cool game right there. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and exit out of it though. Let's exit out of it. Let's go to the next level. Let's try to fill up the whole thing. So basically you leave it pressed until you think you're gonna fill up the whole thing. Let's see. Oh, almost. Let's see if I can get a perfect one. Let's try this. Oh, almost. I got 3 stars. Let's try it right there. Let's see. Kind of close. Alright, we got another ad popping up. Okay. Man, I'm telling you, they keep making some very very simple but cool looking apps. Alright. How do I get out of there? It's forcing us to go into it. Okay, here's the X on top. It's got a lot of ads, guys. I don't like that. Every 2 or 3 levels that you pass, you have an ad that pops up. Of course, that's expected in a free app. Let's try this. Not bad, not bad. We haven't filled the one up completely yet. Let's try again. Let's try that. Oh, not bad, not bad. Another ad pops up. I don't like that, guys. I don't like all these ads popping up, man. It's just too much. You can't even enjoy the game. So I'm going to have to give it a bad review because of this. Look at that. 13-second. Oh, wait. Man, are you kidding me? Okay. Alright, I'm done with this game. Too many ads, guys. Too many ads. Alright, let's go ahead and review it with the star. So we're going to go ahead and rate this thing 3 out of 5 stars because of so many ads. I mean, it's a pretty cool game. You know, it's different. I like how they keep making all these new games, new ways to entertain us, you know. But every 2 or 3 levels, as you notice, we had an ad pop up. And that's not cool, guys. That's not cool at all. I know that it's a free app. And I'm seeing this with all the apps. If you guys been following my reviews, you know, a lot of apps do this. And I don't know why. But when they do it every 2 or 3 levels that you pass, it's just too much, guys. It is just too much. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. That is the Draw In app. It's pretty cool. If you guys are able to get it perfectly in there, you know, get the line going to where it perfectly surrounds the whole drawing there, let me know. That is kind of difficult. But it still lets you pass even though you don't fill up the whole thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.